Okay, real quick update on the shed. It's finally coming together and I haven't given very many updates lately, but here's a quick walkthrough. Got the front, new stone path just put in. Here's the side sliding door with a ramp. Kitchen cabinets were a great addition. Huge thanks to Janine McMillan for redoing her kitchen. Wood storage, still building this out. This will be the woodworking area. Flamethrower. More wheelchair cushions. Got general parts storage, and then up at the top, pulling in some framed pegboards. If you haven't noticed, I'm a big fan of Irwin Tools and Milwaukee. Got some pipe storage, and here's the side. Next step, put some soffit on there, finish up the roof.